Rite Way Electrical, we do service calls, inspections, we do upgrades, we do whole home generators, any electrical need. We can upgrade lighting from fluorescent or incandescent to LED. If you have surface mount lights and you want recessed lighting, we do that. If adding ceiling fans, pretty much anything that you want to do in your house electrically, we can do it at Rite Way. Now's the perfect time to have your electrical system checked. With the holidays coming, you're going to have holiday decorations, lighting, inflatables, you're going to have guests in your home. You want to make sure that everything's working properly and safely, and with a Rite Way technician, we can ensure that for you. So we find a lot of different issues in homes. In the interior of the homes, we find loose wires in receptacles, we find bad receptacles, bad switches, we find bad light fixtures, sometimes loose wiring in attic, loose wires in breaker panels, bad breakers, burnt breakers, and these are just some of the few issues that we find in the homes. So you can check with us at Rite Way. We have different specials that we run throughout the year. Right now we're running a special on electrical panel tune-ups. Electrical panel tune-up entails taking the cover off the inside of the panel. We clean up the inside is the first thing we do. Most panels, they have cobwebs, they have dead rodents, they have dead lizards, and a lot of debris. So we clean up all that debris. And then we'll go and we will tighten every screw, make sure everything's tight in the panel. They loosen over time with the vibration of the electricity. So we make sure everything's tight. We put antioxidants on all the aluminum wires to make them safe and keep them from corroding. And we check the breakers. We make sure all the breakers are properly sized and properly branded for the panel. In my opinion, every home in Tucson should have a home surge suppressor, if not every home everywhere. A whole home surge suppressor protects everything in your home electrically. It protects your appliances, all your electronics, your computers, your TVs, any equipment you have. If you have an EV charger, you absolutely should have a whole home surge suppressor. It protects from surges from the grid, which is getting worse and worse, and from lightning and storms. If you feel that you have an electrical issue or would like upgrades or would just like to have your system checked, give us a call at Rite Way or make an appointment online.